Hey all, Rectal Halls here, coming at you with a project announcement slash update on a project I've already started working on. I have decided that I wanted to build an AI co-host for my stream. Some of you may have already been on stream and seen it in action and played with it, but this is more of a official, announcement on the project. This is something that I want to see is not just a chatbot, something that can actually think and react and even respond to chat and respond to the games that I'm playing. Maybe even, hopefully not too much, but backseating a little bit. We'll see how that goes. I mean, that might just give me a headache, but it's a challenge that I do feel drawn to, and with everything that I've already put on my plate, this is something I want to see through. Let's start with the obvious that yes, Neurosama's out there, and that is an inspiration on this project. However, it's more than that, as I have been fascinated with AI for as long as they've been able to code. I've been messing around with my own neural networks, trying to get those to function. I've created my own automation bots to get stream going and to micromanage some of the things for me because I am completely inept in being able to manage my own stream. So I have some things already that can help, but this is this is something that feels different. It's tangible, it's interactable, it's something that I feel like could actually matter, and not just to me, but maybe to even the people watching. So to lay it all out for you, what I'm trying to build here is something with real memory. It can recall past moments. It can develop its own personality over time based on those past moments and the way that it interacts with myself or chat. A big one that I'm trying to work on is getting it to eventually see what I'm doing, so that it can comment or even react based on gaming or streaming. But I don't want it to just be reactive. I want something to be consistent, have a little bit of autonomy and agency in what it's doing. It's something fun, something that I think is meaningful to me because I've spent so much of my life kind of digging into this stuff, and finally able to jump into a project like this. I feel like I'm able to maybe accomplish something that feels meaningful and something that feels alive in a small way. Another reason I'm actually coming at you with this video is that the struggle is real. I'm a man of many projects and a finisher of few. It's not my strong suit. This is an opportunity for me to refocus and take things from start to finish. This video is the beginning of an accountability log, basically, to not just me, but to you as well, that I actually follow through on this project. Uh, as this project itself is full of possibilities and where we can see it go, and that alone is a problem. I mean, I've already found myself burning out on both ends, staying up till 4 or 5 in the morning trying to push it out, or even little parts out. And the progress feels slow because I don't see any visual or tangible progress, or at least results of that progress. And so I begin to rush it. I start to add things in or try to push something that might be more like, oh, I did something here that isn't necessary, or just ends up breaking my code. And it's just driving myself crazy. And then there are times, well, like I said before, Neurosama being an inspiration of this is I'll compare it to that, uh, and suddenly I feel like I'm staring at a mountain instead of the actual path in front of me. And so I'm hoping to actually be able to settle down and focus on that. So to get you up to date, like I said before, we do actually have a working prototype. Some of you have seen her on stream already. She can chat and retain memory. Now that memory is a version 0.0001, but it's working and she does feel alive in a small way already. So it's a lot of fun. Uh, but now it's time to start to take some more serious steps, uh, and to buckle down and work on screen awareness. I want her to be able to see what I'm doing so that she can react in real time, whether that's on stream or when I'm making a let's play or a gaming video. All other projects right now are on pause. So even doing some of those gaming videos that I have not released in quite some time are now on pause. And honestly, if nobody else finds this as exciting as I do, I'm hoping by the end I'll have it finished and I've finished something, and that matters to me. So I appreciate you joining me on this journey. And you know, you can always comment down in the comments. Let me know if you have thoughts or ideas that you would see, or if you've ever worked on projects like this. Just let me know. Talk about it. Let me hear your thoughts on building an AI chatbot. And also, if you get the opportunity, please follow or subscribe uh, if you want to be kept up to date on how this is going. I will be part of this project in these 30 days is actually making sure that I'm keeping y'all up to date. Whether you guys see it or not, that's up to you. But again, it's going to keep me consistent, and hopefully that benefits all of us in some way. So I appreciate it. Y'all have a wonderful morning, day, evening, whatever you got going. And I'll see you on the next update. God bless, God willing, and Godspeed. So, bye.